Yo, we are day 4, I think, of documenting my journey with videos. And today is going to be pretty fast. I will, as usually, tell you what I've done yesterday and also what I have learned, because yesterday was a rough day. I've done yesterday, as I told you, like my goal for this week is to redo the whole UI of the application by the end of this week so I can use it for marketing. But yesterday I felt kind of like overwhelmed because there is a lot of things to do. I have to handle like the Figma file, I have to make a new one to have everything clean for the application. Then I have to integrate everything into the application, and then I also want to refactor like all the old UI that I had, having something like more like readable and sustainable for the future. So I had all of the things to do, and also I received email from people and website being like, okay, we love your product, we want to like promote it for Black Friday, and Black Friday is next week. So I was like, oh, that's something cool. The thing is, I want everything to be ready for like next week. And so yesterday I was kind of like overwhelmed. I was like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. And yeah, when I'm like overwhelmed and overthinking, I just do nothing because I don't know where to start. I don't know like how to do things in a good way. So what helped me a lot yesterday is to meditate. So I started meditating like regularly since, I would say, a week, 2 weeks now almost. And it will help me to like first calm down and just like focused on the one thing that I have to do. So like yesterday all afternoon I was like really like, oh my god, what I should do, overwhelmed, all that stuff. And then at night I was like, okay, I will just sit and meditate for like 10 minutes. And I meditated and I realized first that when I don't have a clear path to know how to do things good, I am stuck. Like I'm afraid. Like for example, if I have a bug, I know what's the problem, I know how to fix it, that's easy, I will just do it. But like creating something completely new, I don't know the right way to do it. And I kind of feel like if I don't have like a clear path, I will just be like overwhelmed and overthink the process and just do nothing. So I'm like, okay, you just have to do what you have to do and see after if it was good or not. So it helped me to like calm me down and to be like, okay, start with the beginning. I have to like have my colors and my font inside the application. So that's the first thing that I've done, and then I went from there. Like today is more like a lesson to learn. Find a way to first realize that you're not doing what you should do. So if you're overthinking, or if you're like overwhelmed or something, like try to know when this happened, like as fast as possible, of course, and then have something that will help you to get out of this zone. So for example, for me it's meditation, maybe for you it's meditation, maybe for you it's like going outside and walk, like calling like your best friend, like talk with your mom, like I don't know, something that will help you like take some step back and be like, okay, let's sit for like 5 minutes, see what I really have to do, why I am overwhelmed, how can I fix that. So yeah, so that's kind of like everything I have done yesterday. Today I will try to just continue that way, and hopefully it will be better than yesterday. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like this video, like the video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or like anything, put that in the comments, and I see you tomorrow. Until then, peace.